A plane has a takeoff speed of 88.3 meters per second and a required 1365 meters to reach the speed. Determine the acceleration of the plane and the time that's required to reach the speed. So we have velocity, initial is 0, as it's starting off at rest. Final would be 88.3 meters per second. The distance is 1365 meters, and we have to find the time and the acceleration. So the first formula we're going to use is average velocity, which equals average velocity, initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2, which is 0 meters per second plus 88.3 meters per second divided by 2. Gives me 44.15 meters per second. So we're going to leave that there, and we're going to go to the next formula, and we need to find the time. Because if we find the time, we can find the acceleration. If we find the acceleration, we can find the speed. It's a step process. So the next formula is the same thing, average velocity, but this time it's change in position divided by change in time. But we want to get time, so we're going to move it over here, times time, and then we're going to divide by average, which is 13, the position is 1365 meters divided by 44.15 meters per second, which gives us 30.9 seconds. Which we're going to take that, what we got, and we're going to put it into the we're going to put it into the acceleration formula, which is acceleration equals change in velocity over change in time, which ends up being velocity 2 minus velocity 1 divided by time. So we're going to take the velocity they gave us in the problem, which is 88.3, and subtract it by 0 meters per second, divided by the time we got up here, which is 30.91 seconds, which gives us 2.85 meters per second squared as the velocity. So then we're going to take the average velocity formula again, but we want to get time, which will give us required time to reach that speed. So we're going to get time by itself again. We're going to do position over average velocity, which is 1365 meters divided by 44.15 meters per second, which we got up here for the average, equals 30 seconds.